Hey, this is Craig with We the People Barbecue. Right now I'm doing the run-in on my new Pellet Pro. Thank you, Smoke Daddy Inc. for being such great guys and doing all this. I'm looking at this Pellet Pro, and you know, the way it's built, material wise, it's probably a 9 out of 10. It's real thick, heavy walls. It's been smoking about 20 minutes. We're at 273 right now. Just seasoning it up. Let me show you kind of what we got going on in here. Handles are major heavy duty. There it is. It's got the fan on top. I don't know if you can see it real well or not. That's going to be 102 today, so I figured what better day than to get this baby burn in. There's your hopper full of pellets. You know, really, this is a really easy burn-in period. Sorry about that. You just basically load your pellets, feed it until you see pellets, start it up on high until you get the white smoke, and this is these up here on top for extra smoke. We got the two in the back. So go down and see them. Holler at them. They will make you one heck of a deal on these things.